Welcome. This is Pastor Harvey Jones, and welcome to the Audio Visual Team here at CFBC. I put together a short video clip to provide you with initial view of this important ministry and its operational areas. Consider a wonderful praise song and the speakers giving feedback, or music so loud that you can't hear the worship songs of the singer. The audiovisual team takes what is presented and displays it to the entire congregation to hear and experience. That makes this team so important. So here's a short clip that will give you information on the operation. This is just an initial clip. There will be more in-depth training as you move along. And so thank you very much. And here is the clip.
So let's talk about the operation. The audiovisual department is separated into 6 separate areas of responsibility. As you can see here on the screen, they are sound, video, editing, CD production, music licensing, and equipment tracking. I'll take each of these areas to provide you an overview of its operation. And the first will be sound. Battery operated wireless microphones, which are unidirectional mics. As you can see in the picture, unidirectional mics pick up sound from the top of the mic and is used when you don't want the mic to pick up sounds from the side. A speaker or singer must speak or sing directly into the top of the mic. Another wireless microphone is the lapel mic, which is used for the one preaching. The church also has a small number of wired mics, including the podium mic. Some of these mics are omnidirectional microphones, which means that it will pick up sounds not only from the top of the mic, but from all sides of the mic. Another piece of equipment other than the main speakers are monitors. Monitors are speakers that allow the singer to hear not only their voice, but the accompanying music they're singing to. The choir uses a monitor on a pole, and the praise group uses a wedge monitor on the floor, like the picture. A small earpiece that you see professional singers use on stage are also monitors. One of the responsibilities of the team is to make sure batteries in all of the battery-operated microphones are fully charged. Ideally, this would happen between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock each Sunday morning. One of the main pieces of equipment for the sound team is the soundboard. We have a Persona Studio Live version 3. You will be trained on the initial operation of the board, and an in-depth training will come at a later time. To the left of the soundboard is an Apple computer. This computer is used to send video or PowerPoints to the powerful projector at the back of the balcony. This projector projects to the screen behind the choir stand. Some of the responsibilities of the sound team are changing the volume depending on the volume of the singer or the speaker, making sure a mic or volume is on, how to tell which mic is connected to which volume dial on the soundboard. Look for the color dot. That is the same color as the pop filter as you're seeing on the screen now. On each mic has a color-coded pop filter or pop screen. These are a noise protection filter for microphones. They reduce or eliminate popping noise caused by mechanical impact of fast-moving air on the microphone during speech or singing. CFBC YouTube channel and trimming and uploading the sermon audio part of the service to the sermonaudio.com platform. Live stream on Sunday morning uses 2 computers. The first computer is attached to the camera, which is capturing the image of the service, and the second computer is on the CFBC YouTube channel, taking the captured image from the first computer and live streaming it to the CFBC YouTube channel. Here are a couple of key points. Make sure that the power switches that are next to the soundboard, as you can see in the red box encircling the respective switches, make sure these are on. As I have said, there are 2 computers used for Sunday morning live stream. The first computer is attached to the camera, which is capturing the service. The second computer is on the CFBC YouTube channel. It is taking the captured image from the first computer and live streaming it to our YouTube channel. Both computers should be turned on and set up 15 to 20 minutes before service starts. First, I want to show you the screen from the computer that is connected to the camera. Notice that one side of the software captured the actual image from the camera. It is dark now because no camera is attached. The other side of the screen is the stagnant picture that we show before live stream actually starts. The software is able to switch the images. Once live stream starts, the stagnant image can be exchanged for the camera image. Let's look at some particulars. Here is a live view of the live stream where we're streaming on the right side of the software and the stagnant picture is on the left side. The next step is an important one. The streaming key on the second computer connected to YouTube must match the streaming key on the computer connected to the camera in order for the computers to sync. The streaming key on YouTube Studio cannot be changed, but the streaming key on the computer attached to the camera can be changed to match YouTube. Usually this is not necessary, but on occasion YouTube does make changes to the streaming key. Here is a screen showing the location of the streaming key on the computer connected to the camera. Don't worry, you will be given much time to learn this job. The next section is audio-video editing. The sermon, which is saved on an Apple computer, has to be trimmed before it is uploaded to sermonaudio.com. That means taking off any non-preaching activities or sound from the clip. When we make the pre-video clip that you see on the live stream when we're not meeting in person, that is also pre-taped and that has to be edited. Just for this example, I'm going to trim a video of Adam singing "This Little Light of Mine." Part of editing is trimming either audio or video. I'm going to use Movie Maker. This is another piece of software, and I'm just going to use it to trim a video just to show you how it is to trim a video. Now the software you'll be using would be a little different to trim audio for audio sermon. So I'm going to pick up a file by Adam. He's singing "This Little Light of Mine," and I'm going to trim that video just to show you just how to trim this video. Many times we take off parts of the video that we don't want to be in the final product. In this case, this is Adam singing "This Little Light of Mine." I'm going to add trimmers. And so I'm going to move the trimmer to the place I want to remove from the video. So here I've got a part of this video that I want to remove. So you see the spot here, I will be removing this video. And I'll press save here and that will be removed, and I have just trimmed this video. CD production. Even in our online digital world, CDs are at times necessary to serve our non-digital population. In these cases, requesters may order CDs through a Sunday verbal request, an online through the CFBC website, or request a CD by calling the office. The audio team is responsible for locating the requested sermon, reproducing the CD, and providing it to the office for mailing it to the requester. These last two areas I will address together. They are music license and equipment tracking. CFBC does have a license to display music on our screen as well as produce music for our members to sing. This license, although, does not allow us to perform music that is copywritten to sell. There will be more about this subject much later. Now on to equipment tracking. As you might know, there is audiovisual equipment throughout the CFBC campus. We're putting together a database so we may re-inventory the type, serial number, and location of all AV equipment. You will be a part of this actions.
That concludes this first insight of the audiovisual team. Eric Drake, the present ministry leader, will be providing more in-depth information as you perform the jobs. In this COVID-19 arena, there may be less consistency in our operation, so we ask your patience. Thank you so much and look forward to working with each of you.